It's a potato pancake. Looks nice and juicy, man. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that steam coming off. We just gotta eat one of these jokers. What's going on, fam? It's your man, Matt DV. We are on 33rd Street and 2nd Ave in Midtown, New York City. Yeah, I had to get back over to New York, y'all. We're going to go over here. See right behind me? That 2nd Ave Deli. We're going to go in there and check out. They're supposed to have some of the best pastrami around. We're going to check out 2nd Ave Deli. See, there's a couple people in here already. They done beat me to the punch. Let's go check it out, man. They got the pickles. Take off my backpack. Looks nice and juicy, man. Nice and juicy. That's a big, thick stack right there. That's a half a sandwich. I'm glad they suggested to get half. And what is that again? What's the name again?
That's the latke.
That's the latke,
Potato pancake.
It's a potato pancake. Somebody told me to get this at Katz's, but we here at 2nd Ave getting it. Right. So let's check it out. Thank you so much.
All right. Have mustard on the table if you like.
Oh, yeah. Okay, y'all, here we go. We got the pastrami. It's half pastrami, and it came with these other items that I had mentioned earlier for like a lunch special. So first I want to taste the pastrami. They sliced thin just the way I like it. Oh man, look at that. That's really good. I'm gonna take some off, y'all. That's a lot of pastrami. It's nice and juicy and tender. It's tender, it's juicy. You can taste the little fatty pieces, which I love. I absolutely love the fatty pieces. And it's sliced thin, you know, like at Katz's, they have that dark bark on them. But these are thin slices, so you see the thin slice, dark bark. I've never had latke before. And it has this little gravy with it. Y'all know how I am. But if I just eat the latke without dipping it in that gravy, everyone's gonna be like, you were supposed to dip it in the gravy. Let's get fancy. You know what? We gotta do our Carolina. We have to use our Carolina forks. That looks like chicken strip, but it's potato. I don't know if I'm supposed to dip this in there, but that's applesauce. I'm gonna dip it in there again. That tastes pretty good. It's interesting. I've never had this before. And I don't know if I'm supposed to dip it in here, but everyone was writing me when I went to Jollibee's and they was like, you were supposed to dip your chicken in that gravy. So this came with it, and I believe this is applesauce, some type of applesauce. Tastes appley, and I'm dipping it. Now y'all gonna write me and be like, no, you weren't supposed to dip it in there. If I'm not supposed to dip it in there, I've discovered something new. It tastes delicious. Y'all know I love pickles. I'm saving these for last. I'm going back to this latke. I don't want my pastrami to get hot though. I can sign off now, man. This your man, Matt DV. We're here at 2nd Avenue Deli, and everything that I had was delicious. So we're gonna go out and probably get something off a food truck or get some pastries or something from a coffee shop. Definitely get a cup of coffee. Nobody told you they love you today. You hang with the wrong people. Got a question. What is this?
Applesauce.
Are you supposed to dip?
Yeah, why not? Yep. You put it on there with it.
Okay. I just want to make sure I was doing the right thing. I'm telling everybody, like, I dipped it in there. I don't know if you're supposed to, but it tastes delicious. Thank you. Yep.
Slap it on top.
Oh, yeah. Slap it on, right? Love you, cats. Thanks for all our subscribers. Thank all of those who signed up on Patreon and help support the channel. See you guys at the next one. Peace. Total came to $41.81. Okay, y'all. That was 2nd Avenue Deli. We are headed back to the west side. I'm on the east side right now. Headed back to the west side. Travel to New York. New York have some good foods. But I just need to point out, man. Newark, New Jersey, Hobby's Deli. Hobby's Deli. Boom. If I had to choose between 2nd Avenue Deli and Hobby's Deli, I would choose Hobby's Deli. Their pastrami is good here, and like I said, I like it when it's thin sliced. But I would say Hobby's Deli is more tasty and more tender. We're on 33rd Street, y'all, so y'all know the streets in New York. The streets in New York be smoking. All right, y'all know I had to get a little snacky snack for later. Got the dumplings, y'all. I just gotta eat one right now. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that steam coming off. We just gotta eat one of these jokers and then put them up, man. I got the chicken and the shrimp in there. Them jokers hot and steamy, man. Chicken and the shrimp, they were just in the window making them. Then I ordered them. We're gonna eat that one right here. Then I'm gonna put the top back on it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it right now. That's that chicken, that's that shrimp, that's that pork. It is hot and steamy. We're gonna go for it. Look at the steam coming off of there, man. It is really cold out here in New York City today. Hold up, hold up, hold up. This looks so good, man. It looks like a sack full of delicious goodies. You seen them juices squirt out of here? They squirted. Watch your mouth. Wow, man. Wow. I didn't know I was gonna do that. I done had my napkin ready. Look at this, man. There's juice in there. I can actually drink the juice out of the dumpling. Oh my. It's like a delicious, brothy, oily, thick, like gravy almost. Look inside there, y'all. Can y'all see in there? Can you see them veggies in there? And it's got that meat. It's the pork, chicken, and shrimp. Okay. Y'all know I had the pastrami earlier, but get these dumplings. They are delicious. But watch that juice when it squirts out. It was a pleasant surprise. I'm glad I stopped here. This right here is going to be my dinner. This is your man, Matt DV, man. I'm going to walk around New York a little bit more, then I'm headed back to Jersey. You know, so enjoy the sights with me. Love you, cats. See you later. Peace. My bag blowing away. That's it, y'all. Penn Station right across the street. A lot of construction going on in Penn Station. This is what you call jaywalking, when the light is still red and you're walking across the street. All right, for those who want to see the Empire State Building and these big, huge signs. Some of these signs are for marketing are in the millions. Millions. Got the filmmakers right there too. So I got that little bridge right there. We're not going that way. Should we go that way? You know what? We will go this way. I didn't know this side was still open. Going into Penn Station, y'all. I came a long way this morning. Alright, y'all, we on the train. We on the train. We're gonna go up topside.